Friends, welcome to the session of the series AI in 5 minutes. In this episode 2, we will learn some different terms such as AI, machine learning, and deep learning. So let us understand what these terms are. Artificial intelligence, as we know, is a broad field of computer science. And in artificial intelligence, we write the algorithms or programs with the help of which we can create intelligent machines. And these machines can simulate human-like thinking, and even they can make the decision and they can solve the problem. So basically, it will consist of everything from rule-based system to the sophisticated learning algorithms. So we can say that AI is an umbrella technology that will include various approaches for the creation of the intelligent machine. So human-like intelligence is possible, like reasoning, learning, and decision making. And basically, AI consists of ML and DL, that is machine learning and deep learning. And you can say that these are the specialized subsets of artificial intelligence. So machine learning is a subset of AI that will enable the computer to learn and improve from the experience without being explicitly programmed. So there is no necessity of writing the program. The machine will run automatically when the problem is given. So instead of following the rigid rules, ML systems will identify the patterns in the data and will make the prediction based on those patterns. So basically, this learning is a data-driven learning where the machine learns from the patterns of the data. It will have self-improvement. It will get better with the more examples and experience. And you can actually make the use of machine learning in the email spam filters that will adapt to new spam tactics. So one can easily observe that in our everyday life, we make the use of spam filters. So that actually is the ML program. So machine learns from the data. It will clean the data. It will prepare the transformation of the data. It will develop and train the model. It will validate the model, and then it will deploy to production, and it will monitor and update the model and the data. So it will process the input data through algorithms, identify patterns, generate predictions or classifications. So this model continuously refines the accuracy through the training or more examples, and it will create a feedback loop that will improve the performance of the algorithm over a period of time. Deep learning, you can say it is a specialized subset of the machine learning that is being inspired by the structure and function of the human brain. So it is just like the human brain. So it actually makes the use of neural networks where multiple layers are there which will process the information. So basically, the deep learning is a brain-inspired architecture, and it has multiple layer network, and it can perform the advanced recognition. So deep learning neural network look like this. It has input layer, then multiple hidden layer, and then the output layer, so that we can generate the output. So basically, it is an interconnected nodes that will process and transform the information. The input data flows from the input layer to the multiple hidden layers and then to the output layer. So each layer learns increasingly abstract representation of the data. So one can say that artificial intelligence is a broader goal. Inside the artificial intelligence, we have this machine learning. There consists of algorithms that will learn from the data. Inside the machine learning, we have deep learning. So this inner circle will represent the deep learning, which is basically advanced learning using the layered neural network. So in the real world, we actually make the use of AI for chatbots and virtual assistant, for automated decision systems, expert systems for diagnostic. We make the use of AI. Machine learning, it is a product recommendation engine, fraud detection system, predictive analytic tools will make the use of machine learning. Image and facial recognition makes the use of deep learning. Voice assistant like Siri and Alexa makes use of deep learning. And language translation services also makes the use of deep learning. So deep learning is important and it is very popular because vast data set from the internet, sensors, and digital activities will provide the fuel for the training of the network. It has computing power and the superior accuracy. So deep learning algorithms will always give the superior accuracy. And that is the reason it is very popular. So you can say that AI is the goal, machine learning is the method that is being used, and deep learning is the advanced technique that is being used in order to achieve our result. So conceptual clarity is very important than that of complexity. So let us try to improve your conceptual clarity by making the use of these sessions. Thank you, friends.